Welcome to your Easy English Guide. Today, we're unlocking basic English verbs with their Tamil meanings, perfect for beginners and quick learners. Let's make learning fun and simple. Are you ready? Let's start. Take. Take a break. Take a shower. Take a seat. Take your time. Take a chance. Keep. Keep a secret. Keep your word. Keep going. Keep calm. Keep in touch. Do. Do your homework. Do the dishes. Do the laundry. Do the shopping. Do your best. Have a cold. Have a headache. Have lunch. Have fun. Have a good time. Have an idea. Make a mistake. Make a decision. Make a deal. Make breakfast. Make coffee or tea. Be happy. Sad. Be at the gate. Be at home. Be on time. Be in love. Well done! Keep practicing these verbs every day, and soon, English will feel natural. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy English lessons.